If you are told that your makeup products does not determine the outcome of your makeup look, that is a big fat lie. Yes, I said what I said. And if you want to know why I made this statement, kindly watch this video up to the very end. Hello guys, you're welcome back to the Alpha Glams YouTube channel. And in today's video, I'll be glamming up my beautiful model. I'll be transforming her into a beautiful Yoruba bride. Yes, guys, I already started off with my skin prep. I've used my micellar water. I have used a nice moisturizer. I've also sprayed her face with an hydrating spray. That's a Mario Badescu hydrating spray. And right now, I'm going into my classic primer. Guys, ask me why my video suddenly got blurry when I started filming. But I am happy that I caught this early on and I was able to correct it. So kindly bear with me. Right now, I'm using the Huda foundation on different sides of her face and I'm applying it with my beauty brush. I'm using this brush. Then once I am done, I went into a damp beauty blender to press the foundation into our skin. Guys, you have to know how to blend your foundation as flawlessly as possible. Straight up, I'm going into my NYX foundation. I'll be using this to contour our face. I'll be using this to just get some shadows on different perimeters of her face, and I'll also be using my beauty blender to blend that in. So guys, about the statement I made about your makeup products determining the outlook of your makeup. Yes guys, I have been a makeup artist for 9 years now, and I recently just bought some makeup products. Yes, if you follow me on this channel, you would have seen my unboxing where I bought some makeup products and I decided to just add them into my makeup kits, try to upgrade and all that. And guys, since when I started using this product, I saw a difference in the makeup I was doing previously and the makeup that I am doing now. Yes, then I realized that there are just some makeup products that you have to splurge on. Your concealer, your foundation, your primers, your sprays, these are non-negotiables. You need to splurge on them. Get quality products, and this would actually transform your makeup from looking like 50% to 100%. Yes, I am serious, because when I did it, I kept on going for different classes. I upgraded my skills. I did a lot. I went for classes and all that, but my makeup was looking flawless. My makeup was looking good. But I tell you, immediately I just upgraded. I just got some makeup products in my makeup kits. Guys, I kid you not, makeup started looking like what I wanted it to look like. And if you get it, you get it. If you don't get it, forget about it. And that is why I just decided that this video, instead of narrating the makeup steps in just the way I do on a normal day, telling you, oh, do this, blend that, I feel like a lot of people already know the skill. A lot of people already know the application, the techniques, the procedures to makeup. But what they are just missing out is the products, the right products to use. I understand that not everybody will be able to get the dream product or the type of products they need for their makeup gigs, their makeup looks. But if you can just close your eyes and just buy one quality foundation, one quality concealer, one quality spray, know how you mix them, my dear, there's no how this your makeup game would change. It will change, it will transform. I am saying this because this is based on experience. This is based on what I have done. I have done makeup for 8 years and my makeup still looked okay. It was not bad. My makeup has always been good, but just changing some of my product just made it look different. I know a lot of people will say, no, your makeup product does not matter. It does not matter. Your skin is all that matter. Take it from me. Just change that foundation once or change that powder once and you will see what I am saying. You will understand what I am saying. So right now, let's jump back into the video. Let me now start narrating like I always do. I'll be using my Mirac setting powder to set under eyes. One thing I need you guys to know is that when you apply your under eyes concealer, set it immediately. Set it immediately, because I noticed that once a client looks down or a model looks down, immediately that concealer tends to crease under the eyes. Like, These are from the experiences I have got with different clients. It just tends to crease. So immediately you are done blending the under eyes set. Then right now I'm setting the rest of our face, set the places where I highlighted and all that. Now I'll be going into my Milani powder. This Milani powder has been one of the staple in my makeup kit, and I really love it because I noticed that it just gets the work done. So there are some products that you know that yes, it gets your work done, it gets the work done, but just try other products and you'll see the results. Yes, right now I'll be going into my blush, and I'll be going into a purple and an orange. I'll be mixing them together. You can also use different blushes. Just make sure you are not using a blush that is too pigmented or which just stand on your client's face. No, you want a blush that is blendable, a blush that is soft, not too harsh on client's face. That is something you should also be careful about. Then your bronzers are also one of the products I feel like if you can buy good bronzers, it will change your makeup game. Yes, your bronzers too really matters. I'm using this Glamour Bronze bronzer. It's by Morphe, and honestly, when I use it on clients' faces, when I use it on models' faces, I just see the difference. I see the worth of what I bought. Right now, I am trying to snatch the nose of my model, make sure her nose is looking as pointed as possible, and I'm using my Blossom eyeshadow palette. And the reason why I'm using my Blossom eyeshadow palette is I'm mixing it with another shade, which is a wine shade. You don't want to go into brown because brown tends to look harsh on the nose. I don't like when I am seeing my nose contour and it is standing out too much. You want to add a bit of yumminess to it. You want to add a bit of color to it, and this is why I'm going into a wine and a brown. So if you notice, it is mixed together and nose does not look too harsh. Now I am going into my Sephora powder, and what I am doing with this Sephora powder is I am applying it on all her face. So once you are done setting, you are done snatching, you are done doing everything, you need to go into a powder shade of your client, a powder shade of your model, and use it all over your face. This will erase every harsh line. It will erase it totally. Now going into my setting spray, I'm using this Kids Beauty setting spray, and I noticed that your setting spray too is a two ways. You have to know what really works for you. You have to know what you want to achieve using a setting spray. For me, using the Kids Beauty setting spray is to take away the powdery effect of the face. That is the major reason why I use it. I don't use it for you to change my makeup or make my makeup look one way or the other. I just want it to just take away that powdery effect, and it does that job. So you have to be careful. Don't go and buy a setting spray that once you use it, all your makeup will melt. No, don't do that. So you have to be careful in choosing the setting spray you want to use. Also, for your eyeshadow primers, I really don't see a need for you to splurge on eyeshadow primers. Yes, because I believe if you have a good eyeshadow palettes that the eyeshadows don't fall off crazily, they don't just look messy on the eyes. When you have quality eyeshadow palettes, you really don't need an eyeshadow primer. That is why some people go into their concealer and use as eyeshadow primers. You really don't need it. So right now I'm going into this gold eyeshadow from the Annie's eyeshadow palette, and you can see I have like zero fall off. I don't really have so much of fall-offs from the eyeshadow. Right now I'm going into a brown. I'm using this as my transition color. I'm trying to make sure that side is lifted, and once I am done with that brown, I'm going into a black. Like I always say, if you follow me on this channel, be careful with the way you use black. Black is a very harsh color, very harsh in the sense that if you go wrong with black, it can spoil your whole eyeshadow look. Yes, this is why it is better for you to go into a soft color, a nice transition color before going into black. Now I'll be going into all these pigments. Yes, 3 pigments. I'll be mixing them together and I'll be placing them on the eyelid. Yes, if you want to know how I apply my pigment, or you want to know how you want a detailed tutorial on eyeshadow, kindly drop your comment. I'm ready to create that tutorial or that video for you. So right now I'm applying the 3 eye pigment together. I'm applying it on her eyes, and you can see how pigmented, how shiny her eyes look, like they are calling you. Yes. Yes, so that is what I wanted to achieve. And right now I'm trying to accentuate the black at the sides of her eyes, just to give that highlighted look. And that is the reason for all this that I am doing. Right now I'm also using my finger to just press all the pigments I used on the eyes, because you don't want it to fall off. You don't want it that once you are done with your whole makeup look, you don't see your pigment anymore. And once I am done with this, I'll be going into this eyeliner to line the eyes. Guys, your eyeliner too is something that you can use any eyeliner. You just have to be careful. I was using the Zara eyeliner, gel eyeliner previously before I started using the Adventure eyeliner, and really it serves me. It does the work. It does what I need it to do. So there are just some products that you can do without it and just go for a cheaper alternative. You are good to go. So eyeliner does not spoil your look. The reason why you're even using eyeliner in the first place is just to accentuate the whiteness of the eyes. Some people actually do their makeup without eyeliners and they still look good. So you have to really be careful and know what you really want to achieve with different products. Right now I'm going into this V Beauty powder. Yes, why am I going into this powder? I'm going into this powder because I noticed that most of these high-end brands that we buy don't have the type of yellow shade that we want or we have in Nigeria. I noticed that our yellow is different from the yellow undertone they have abroad and all that. So just to get that our yellow shade back, that is why I decided to opt for a Nigerian brand, because most Nigerian brands will actually make products that will cater to skin tone of Nigerians. I hope you understand that. Right now I'm going into my lip liner and I'm using the Davis brow pencil. I don't think there's a need for you to splurge on your lip liner, except for if you want to go into this MAC lip liner, the one in chestnut and all that. If you have the money, you can go for it, but I don't see a reason for you to splurge on it. Right now I'm going into my Avoid Lipstain. Actually, your lip stains, your lipsticks too, I don't see a reason why you should splurge. Actually, if you know how to combine colors, if you know how to mix shades, you can get beautiful lips. And actually that is what I did in this video, and as you keep watching you will see the outcome of this look, because I used like 5 different shades and it just got me that lip that I want. So if you know how to mix, I don't see a reason why you should spend £75 on a lipstick. Yes, I don't see a reason why. But if you have the money, of course, buy it. If I have the money too, I'll buy it. Yes, right now I'm going into my favorite lip glosses of all time, which is Ezekiel Nude lip glosses. I'll be using this shade in Earth. No, I'm not using Earth this time. Earth is the dark brown. No, I'm using a shade before the dark brown. I'm using this to line our lips. Then I'm using another color. It is not blonde. I've forgotten the color, but I'll drop the details of all the products I used in the description box or on the video, because I'm yet to do that. Yes, and guys, see the outcome. Who would have thought that I used Ezekiel or I used Avoid Lipstain to get this lip combo? Right now for my mascara, I'm going into this Blossom mascara. For mascaras too, you can just save your money. Yes, and right now I'm going into my Fenty powder. Yes, this is just for it to give this sophisticated finish that I want. That is why I'm using this powder. I just want it to give that sophisticated look, and honestly you can see the difference. Right now I'll be setting it all with my Morph setting spray. Yes, I just bought this Morph setting spray because I've just always wanted to have it, but I tell you, the job it does is just what my Kiss Beauty does. I won't lie to you, that is just what it does. But if you have the money, please buy it. There are just some products that just makes you know that, oh yes, you have grown in this makeup game. So right now I am fixing my eyelashes and making sure she's comfortable with it. Yes, and you can see the results. No, No, like this look was just giving. I am done tying her gele. Right now I'm applying her highlighter. I'm applying it on the highest point of her face. I'm using the Nuban highlighter in Men. Then I'm applying it on her nose, on the bridge of her nose, just places where I want the light to hit. And now I'm going into my favorite highlighter, which is the Sopro highlighter in Jara. It is a pink highlighter, so I just like what it does to the face when I apply it. Yes, and this is it, guys. Like, this is how my model looks. She looked so stunning, like so stunning. Like, when I took pictures and videos of her, she was looking good. So guys, tell me now, what do you think about using high-end products? What do you think about the type of product you use? Just let me know your comments. Let me know your opinions. Let me know if you actually reason with me in using beautiful high-end products, or just learning the skills and you are good to go. Guys, this is the end of this look. I really hope you love it. I hope you love this tutorial. And guys, this is how my model looks like in sunlight. Yes, natural light. She still looked as flawless as possible. So guys, I really hope you enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, don't forget to like, don't forget to drop your comment, don't forget to share, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.